Hello students, we are going to look at the chapter of sound, which is at the page 69 in your textbook. To start with, let us see what is sound. Sound is a form of energy which propagates through pulses or sound waves. It creates a sense of hearing when it reaches the ears. Pleasant sound is music and unpleasant sound is noise. Sound is referred as nad in Indian music. There are two types of nad. First is ahat nad and second is anahat nad. Ahat nad is also known as struck sound. It is obtained by friction and is audible to anybody. In the picture below, you can see a person playing guitar, and the sound produced by this musical instrument is referred as ahat nad. Anahat nad is also known as unstruck sound. It can only be heard through meditation, and it is also believed to be the cosmic sound of the universe. The picture below shows the Big Bang, which is believed to be the cause for the cosmic sound. Now let us see what is swara. Swara is a musical note. There are 7 main swaras, which are as follows: sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni. These are abbreviations, and the full names of the swaras are as follows. Sa means Sadaj, Re means Rishab, Ga means Gandhar, Ma means Madhyam, Pa means Pancham, Dha means Dhaivat, and Ni means Nishad. The same swaras in Western music are known as Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Si, or C, D, E, F, G, A, B respectively. Among the 7 main swaras, there are 2 achal swaras, which are Sa and Pa, and there are 5 chal swaras, which are Re, Ga, Ma, Dha, Ni. Shuddha swara is one which is in its natural position. It is also known as natural note, and we have 7 Shuddha swaras in a scale. They are Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Dha, Ni. Achal swara is also known as fixed swara. It can never be moved from its original position, and it can never be converted into Vikrit swara. There are only 2 achal swaras, which are Sa and Pa. Chal swara is one which can be moved from its initial position either to a higher tone or a lower tone. It can be converted to a Vikrit swara. There are 5 chal swaras, which are Re, Ga, Ma, Dha, Ni. Vikrit swara is one which has been shifted from its initial position in a scale either to a lower or higher semitone. A Vikrit swara can either be a Komal note or a Tivra note, as shown below. A Komal swar is one which has been moved half tone lower from its natural position in a scale. It is also known as a flat note. In notation form, a horizontal bar is put below the note, as shown below. Now let us look at what is Saptak. Saptak is also known as a scale. It is an arrangement of 7 swaras from lower to higher note. There are 3 types of Saptak, which are Mandra Saptak, Madhya Saptak and Tara Saptak. Mandra Saptak. It is also known as lower scale. The notes in this Saptak produce a sound in a very low tone, and in notation a dot is put below the note. Madhya Saptak. The notes in this Saptak produce sound in a middle tone, and in notation no signs are added to the notes. Tara Saptak. The notes of this Saptak produce sound at a very high tone. In notation, a dot is put above the note. The picture below shows all the 3 Saptaks. Now let's make a recap of some of the points which we have learnt. Sound is referred as nad in Indian music. We have 2 types of nad. First is Ahat nad, which is also known as struck sound, and this sound is audible to anybody. The second type of nad is Anahat nad, which is also known as unstruck sound, and this sound can only be heard through high level of meditation. We had also looked at what is swara, which is a musical note. We have 7 Shuddh swaras, which are Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Dha, Ni. Among them, there are 2 Achal swara, which are Sa and Pa, and there are 5 Chal swaras, which are Re, Ga, Ma, Dha and Ni. The Chal swara or the Vikrit swara are either Komal swara or Tivra swara. Komal swara are Re, Ga, Dha and Ni, and Tivra swara is Ma Tivra. We had also looked at Saptak, which means a scale, and there are 3 types of Saptak. The first is Mandra Saptak, second is Madhya Saptak, and third is Tara Saptak. In the Mandra Saptak, a dot is put below each swara into notation form. In Madhya Saptak, there is no dot either above or below the swara into notation form. But in Tara Saptak, a dot is put above each swara into notation form. Thank you.